My name's Leo Kohler.
And my name is James Duranczyk. And we're at MiCareerQuest. Let's go explore some opportunities. How's the show going for you so far?
Pretty good.
What's been your favorite?
Probably the go-go screen.
I'm not a great artist.
What is this? Oh yeah.
Push that button on the lever.
That should be pretty good. How's the show been so far? How do you like it?
Lots of stuff to get, lots of things to try out, and like lots of new opportunities to learn.
Pulses really fast.
Today we've got our babies. There you go. See that black circle right there?
Yeah,
That's your vein.
that's cool.
So you got
Very clean.
usually around the wrist, so hand washing is super.
Super important. Has there been a booth that you've been interested in or you found interesting?
The race car one.
You squeeze it as hard as you can, but it's not gonna feel like it's moving.
All right.
Nice.
All you're gonna do, you
If you would like, you can ventilate your baby. You can notice you've got pressure. And you can watch the ones.
My favorite booth was the operation booth where I could see how they do everything and use the tools that they use.
It was just cool to experience everything here. The people who were at the booths were really interesting, really nice.
My favorite part was how everything was so interactive. It was really fun.